Do you want your BMW to make an additional 300 wheel horsepower at the push of a button? Then you need this Nitrous Express system for all fuel-injected BMWs with dual throttle bodies. This system is able to add anywhere from 50 to 300 wheel horsepower to your BMW thanks to the combination of incredibly high-quality parts that we include. The first of those parts are these dual shark nozzles. The shark nozzle's body is constructed from billet aluminum and anodized in black for the ultimate in looks and corrosion resistance. The body itself features 1/8 inch NPT threads, a 90-degree discharge, as well as stainless steel jet fittings. The patented shark nozzle ensures excellent atomization for the ultimate in horsepower production and reliability. Next up is our Lightning Series solenoids. These solenoids feature CNC machined billet aluminum bodies topped with carbon fiber cans for the ultimate in weight savings, performance, and looks. The solenoid bases offer an improved flow path that eliminates sharp turns and expansion areas in the nitrous flow path. This keeps the nitrous in dense liquid form, making you more power while utilizing less nitrous. Another one of these awesome components is our Lightning 500 bottle valve. This valve not only looks great, but is packed with features, including 2 integrated gauge ports, a 5/8 siphon tube, a large 1/2 inch orifice, and an improved flow path with only one 45-degree turn. The Lightning bottle valve looks great, flows great, and weighs nearly 1 full pound less than the old style brass valves. If you purchase your system with a bottle, we include this awesome billet aluminum Lightning 500 bottle valve. We also include everything you need to complete the installation, including stainless steel braided lines, a mechanical wide open throttle switch, jetting for 50 to 300 horsepower, as well as all of the necessary hardware. If you're ready to turn your BMW into an absolute sleeper, this is exactly what you need. For more information, you can visit us at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.